Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review how to add and modify indicators. We have a single chart of CL on a 15-minute time frame. At the top panel, there's indicators. We can start searching, for example, MACD, and it will show in the list. If we want to add it to our favorites, we click the star next to it, and it will now show at the top of the list with the others. To remove from favorites, simply uncheck it. Let's add a basic moving average here, moving average exponential. It puts it in our indicator list on this side. We can hide the indicators or we can show them. Right now it is showing a 9 EMA. We can hide it or show it. Click on the gear for the settings. Let's say we wanted this to be a 50 moving average. If we want to change the style, we click on the Style tab. Let's make it yellow and make it rather large. And let's make it a step line, for example. If we want to add another indicator, we can do the same. Indicator. This is a 20 moving average. And let's make this thicker as well. These indicators are in the top panel. There are some indicators that are on a different panel. For example, let's take the MACD. MACD is in a separate panel down below, like this. Okay? We still have the same setup. Clicking on settings, we have all the inputs we like. We have the style. It's just that it's in a different panel that's down below. To remove, we just click the X. Remember to save the chart once you add additional indicators, and be sure to save your layout so it stays just like you had it when you left. Each indicator has multiple settings depending on the indicator, and has a visibility component, which is very interesting since we can turn on which time frame we would like to see a particular instrument. So let's say we only want to see the 20 EMA on hourly charts. We remove the remainder like this. We see the 20 EMA, it's just grayed out so it doesn't show because it's a 15-minute chart. And now we want to make sure that we do not see the 50 EMA on the hourly chart. Now when I choose 30-minute, the EMA 50 stays. 3-minute, EMA 50 stays. But on an hourly chart, the 50 EMA goes away and we are showing the 20. So let's say we wanted them both to be on a 15-minute chart. Here. And this one is already on 15 minutes. So now we go to 30, we only have our 50 EMA, but on a 15-minute chart, we see both of them. This is built into every indicator that is available on TopstepX. Now those familiar with TradingView have probably seen there are a listing of community indicators where they can be customized and you can actually create your own using the Pine script built into TradingView. That is currently not available in TopstepX, although it is on the roadmap to have custom indicators availability. There are plenty here to choose from. And definitely check with the community for other settings. Maybe find something that works well for you. This will conclude the review of how to add, remove, and modify indicators.